How to make $100,000 in real estate without using any of your own money. My name is Asha and I live in Hawaii, and I've made over $1 million in real estate without any experience, money, or a big following just a few years ago when I just got started. How did I do it? Here are a few strategies. Private money loans. This is a game changer. This is when you borrow money from everyday people who use their retirement, HELOCs, or lines of credit, then lend it to you for your deals. They're easier to get and faster to process than traditional loans and can fund 100% of your deals. That means you can bring no money to the table. Then you can use these loans to buy and renovate properties quickly and sell them for a profit. I've used this strategy on 32 flips to come to the deal with none of my own money, raise private capital, raise private money, and make six figures. Another one is leveraging partnerships, teaming up with other investors or homeowners who have access to money. If you're good at finding deals and partner with someone else who can worry about raising the money, then most times you don't need to bring any money to purchase the property. If you can partner with the homeowner, even better. You don't need to worry about the biggest cost, which is the purchase price. You can raise closing costs and renovation funds, then sell it together for a profit. I've made over $200,000 on just one deal by doing this. Save this post and remember these real estate strategies to get started today.